Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use voice chat in Gather. First, open Gather in your web browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, enter your Gather workspace. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the microphone controls. If you click the small arrow next to the microphone icon, a menu will open with several audio options. The first option is Select Microphone. From here, you can choose the microphone you want to use for voice conversations. If you have more than one microphone connected, simply select the one you prefer. Next, you'll see Select Speaker. This lets you choose the speaker or headphones that will play other people's voices during conversations. You'll also notice the Reduce Background Noise from Me option. Turning this on helps reduce unwanted sounds such as keyboard typing, fan noise, or other background noise, making your voice much clearer during meetings. Below that, you'll find audio and video settings. Clicking this option opens additional settings where you can manage your microphone, speaker, and camera preferences. In this demonstration, my microphone is not active because I'm the only participant inside this workspace. That's completely normal. Since there isn't another person available, a live voice conversation cannot begin. Normally, when you allow microphone permission and another team member joins the same Gather space, voice chat starts automatically as soon as both avatars move close to each other. You don't need to press a call button or create a separate voice room. If you ever want to stop others from hearing you, simply click the microphone button to mute yourself. When you're ready to speak again, click it once more to unmute your microphone. One of the best features of Gather is proximity voice chat. This means you can hear only the people who are nearby. As you move closer to another person, their voice becomes louder and clearer. As you walk away, the sound gradually fades until you can no longer hear them. This creates a natural office experience that feels just like talking to coworkers in a real workplace, and that's how you can use voice chat in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.